Hello there. Welcome to the quick hardware demonstration for the Teachments Interactive Flat Panel. My name is Ashish Swami and I'm the product specialist here for the Interactive Flat Panel. Let us now see how the setup process actually happens for the Interactive Flat Panel. The process is quite simple. You receive the device is installed, and now you simply need to plug into a 5 ampere socket. Now once the device is installed and plugged into the 5 ampere socket, there's a power button towards the back. You switch on the power button. You have a power button right over here. With this particular power button, the device can be easily turned off and turned on a day-to-day basis. Now looking at the screen resolution, this particular screen comes with a UHD display, has 4K resolutions and has 7 MOHs hardness. So daily usage, not a challenge at all. When we look at the hardware components, the screen device comes with a pre-installed camera over here, 8 array microphones, two 20-watt speakers. Apart from that, for basic connectivity, you have your two USB ports over here, one HDMI port, one touch input, and the same time a Type-C connection. Not just that, you even have flexible connection options towards the back, wherein you have 3 USB ports towards the back, two HDMI ports, one Type-C port, one touch input port. Additionally, even if you plan on using OPS, we have a dedicated slot within the device for OPS. Using that, you can easily manage the windows as well on the device.